Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and we're here in Copytex 2018 in Taipei, Taiwan. First of all, I have to apologize for my voice, not feeling quite well, a little bit under the weather, so I apologize for that once again. Anyway, we got a look at the Asus ROG phone yesterday, so you may have already seen the article up on the website, so we'll just give you the highlights for this video. Now let's start things off with its processing package. You have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, but it's not your regular 845. It's been speed binned, which means it's running at a higher clock speed, just below 3 GHz. Then you pair that with 8 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, and you'll be running all the heaviest and your favorite games on Google Play Store, no problem whatsoever. Now, of course, it won't be a gaming smartphone with a great display. The Razer phone had a 120Hz panel. This one is at 90Hz with 1 ms response time. Now, the company says it's a good balance between performance and cooling. This is something that they made a conscious decision of, and we agree. At this size, which is 6 inches, full HD resolution, you can hardly tell the difference between 120Hz and 90Hz, but you can definitely see smoother gameplay. Now, speaking of keeping temps down, you have a 3D vapor cooling chamber on the Asus ROG phone. Now you couple that with the included Aero Active Cooler, which comes in the box. Is essentially an attachment that you hook up to the proprietary port on the left side of the phone. And that means you get temps down a lot more faster, prolonged gaming periods. Of course, the other thing that's exciting about this Aero Active Cooler is that if you have the phone in landscape mode, you usually have your cables jutting out the side of your phone, making it harder to hold. With this one, you can put your USB-C cable on the bottom along with the headphone jack. So again, prolonged period of time, charging the phone, keeping temps cool. There's an added fan on that Aero Active Cooler as well. Now that we talked about the Aero Active Cooler, again, comes inside of the box when you purchase the ROG phone. There are 3 more accessories available that you have to purchase separately. There's a twin view dock, which essentially gives you another screen for multitasking, or when you're streaming, you can keep track of their people commenting on your stream, or if you're into watching a video while you're playing a video game or music or whatever. Your phone goes up on top. There's an added fan again to help keep temps down. Again, you can charge the phone, gives you a better grip. Kind of reminds us of the NVIDIA Shield a little bit, but definitely better gaming on this one. Now, another accessory is the mobile dock. This essentially allows you to put the ROG phone and attach it to a monitor and your gaming peripherals. If you ask us, it's a little bit cheating, since your friends or the other people you're playing against will probably be on their smartphones. Probably a mid-range phone. If you ask me, especially for our price-sensitive market, it's probably going to be a mid-range phone, since that is the best-selling segment for our country. Little cheating, gives you a whole lot of competitive edge. But again, if you want to win games, no problem. Hook it up to your desktop monitor, keyboard, mouse. You can map the keys, no problem. The last accessory is by GameVice, which is the WeGig dock, which essentially kind of makes your ROG phone looks like a Nintendo Switch. You can sit back on the couch, cast it to your TV. Again, there's a separate device for you to cast it on. It comes with the WeGig dock. You can cast it on the TV, sit on the couch, enjoy your games on the big screen. If you're into single-player games or something like that, or again, PUBG Mobile, bigger screen, great thing to have. You have added thumb controllers and, of course, buttons that you can map. That's essentially it. Those are the 3 accessories that you can purchase apart from the Aero Active Cooler that comes with the ROG phone. So that pretty much wraps up this quick look at, again, the Asus Republic of Gamers smartphone, a phone that we've been waiting for a while. It's been part of the rumor mill. They've been giving us some teasers a couple of weeks. Very excited to have it. Now we have it, got a bit of a hands-on with it. It will be available Q3 of this year. No pricing available or announcement just yet for that, but hopefully they price it right to make it more available to a lot of us. Again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. We'll try to get to them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, and of course, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Jamie. I hope you enjoyed this video despite the voice. I'll see you guys next time.